Welcome to DelftStack. If your clothes look blurry in Roblox Mobile, this video will show you a few quick ways to improve texture quality and fix loading problems. First, open Roblox and join any game. Tap the Roblox icon in the corner to open the in-game menu. Then go to Settings. Find Graphics Mode and switch it from automatic to manual. After that, move the graphics quality slider to the right. Higher graphics settings can help clothes and textures load in better quality. If you are using Android, clearing the Roblox cache can also help. Open your phone's Settings app, go to Apps, select Roblox, then tap Storage and choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing blurry textures. Another easy fix is reinstalling the Roblox app. Delete Roblox from your phone, restart the device, and install the app again from the Google Play Store or App Store. This refreshes game files and often fixes clothing loading bugs quickly. Thanks for watching.